let's do this.
Hey, see this? Nice work.
There's so much, Aiden.
Yeah, we just gotta sift through this stuff and find a name.
Yeah, well, you're in luck. Because this mess has a shitload of names. And every one of them tied to some crooked deal. Dirty cops, the club, greedy moguls, even your stand-up do-gooders.
Iraq was planning to blackmail the whole city.
Hey, what's this? Is this off the server?
Oh, hell! Somebody's trying to hack in. We'll lose everything. Shut him out. Now!
What do we do?
Follow that signal back. If we can find the source, we can kill his access. Hurry. Oh, come on, man! It's some malware strain!
I can't block him out!
It's disabling our protection program! I don't know who he is. If I had a guess, that looks like him. Yeah, he's a shady piece of shit hacker for hire. Very good. Thought we had a gap, god damn it!
We did!
There. Who is he?
That's him. Default. Son of a bitch.
Who is it, Clara? He seems to know you.
I don't know.
I'm gonna hit play.
It wasn't too difficult to find them. Two men. One's a hacker, the other a fixer, as far as I could tell. Never heard of them before.
I can't explain. I wanted to tell you.
Nice work. Names, please.
Are you planning to hurt them?
When has that ever bothered you? I trust the amount is satisfactory.
Damien Brinks and Aiden Pierce.
Aiden, someone's knocking.
Clara.
Aiden, he's trying to delete our shit. We're gonna have to shut him out fast. Aiden, come on! Gird your loins, I'm killing the power!
Aiden.
Who was it? Who ordered it?
If I knew, I'd tell you. I swear I would. I'm so sorry.
Get away from me.
Shit.
Can you trace it?
Yeah, I'm on it. Son of a bitch, come on, man. Come on! Ugh, damn it!
Where are you going?
That smartass just hit us with one hell of a virus. He copied everything we had and wiped it from our systems. He knew exactly how to shut us down. I gotta go reboot the backup tower. Without it, no default. No default, no data.
I'll go.
No. I'll go. I don't mind getting my hands dirty, man. You know what, Aiden? You're gonna have to stall Damien just a little while longer.
I can handle Damien.
I'll call you when I'm done. Good luck, amigo.
Rat Boy just made it personal.
Whatever game he's playing, this
default. He's putting Nikki's life at risk. He picked the wrong time to
Look
piss
at
me
the
off.
whore in apartment D.
Right now,
Nice
I'm gonna
tits.
stop Damien.
Where are you? 1 minute you call me with promises, then nothing? Not a peep?
This time, we're gonna meet. In person.
How old-fashioned. Do you have something for me?
We'll talk.
Oh, Aiden. In that case, I pick the place.
Police need more information and access if these cyber terrorists, DedSec, are to be flushed out of hiding. We won't stop until we find them all.
That was Mayor Rushmore earlier. The mayor has granted law enforcement unprecedented access to CTOS databases to locate DedSec members, arrest them, and confiscate their equipment. No details on just what that CTOS information might entail.
Get your foodie map here. Meet celebrity chefs, learn to cook, sample some great food. Get your map.
I don't have the data. Damien will know the second he sees me. Maybe I can make that work for me. He told Bloom he'd deliver what we found, including the blackmail Iraq has on them. Yeah, he's painted himself into a corner.
You didn't bring my data, I didn't bring your sister. We're so predictable.
We made a deal with Bloom.
Where did you hear that?
You have a problem, Damien. See, that deal hinges on the hard drive. What are you gonna tell them if I give you nothing?
You're forgetting something. Your sister lives or dies in a phone call.
Then kill her.
You almost had me, Aiden.
You're not thinking it through, Damien. That deal has sealed your fate. If you kill Nikki, you get nothing from me. You think Bloom is gonna give you a pass? They're gonna send fixers to hunt you down. So right now, I'm the one who decides your fate. Get my sister on the phone.
We really are partners, Aiden. Like it or not. We need each other.
Aiden?
You okay? Are you all right?
I'm scared. Please tell me that Jackson is safe.
Yeah, he's okay. Look, Nikki,
I know. Just please don't let them...
You know something, Aiden? I'm tired of you not taking me seriously. Next time I see you, if you don't have my data, she's dead.
Shit, better not hang around.
Breaking news. Reports are coming in that Aiden Pierce, the vigilante known as the Fox, has been spotted in downtown Chicago.
Shit,
Police are asking him to
that's
remain
it.
calm. Do not approach the suspect. He is considered armed and dangerous. Many of you are contacting us.
Damien's hacking these billboards from somewhere.
Live feed to the scene.
There. WKZ van. We gotta shut it down.
Fugitive has been spotted. Avoid the area if at all possible.
You're making this too hard, Aiden. Don't force me to show you up.
You got nothing to show me.
Wrong again. You know those fancy tricks you do with CTOS? I've been watching and learning. Want to see what I can do?
This is when a deal with the devil gets me.
Don't let them catch you, my boy. That wouldn't be good for Sis now, would it?
All units, this is squad. CTOS has located the suspect. Distributing location now. We stop it unless we make him stop. Let him inside.
Squad, we're weapons free.
Good equipment.
Hold the fuck over! Halt! Stop your vehicle.
Good equipment. Be advised, a patrol SUV has been dispatched after the suspect.
No line of sight to the suspect, shifting to another location.
SUV's been dispatched after the suspect.
Squad, we found the suspect's car. Still no sign of suspect. We'll keep looking. We're back in pursuit.
Copy that. A patrol SUV is en route to the suspect.
Come on, we've got visual of the suspect.
We've got a patrol SUV in pursuit of the suspect.
Stand by, squad. Suspect got away on us. We'll do another sweep.
advised, a patrol SUV has been sent to the suspect's location.
I already bulldozed this guy, man. We're repositioning and we'll never get him from here. The suspect is only mindful of us. We'll have an easy shot soon. I'm gonna take this guy out.
Stop! We will shoot you!
Now. I've been hit! It's no good. We gotta find a better position.
Oh, we will shoot you!
Squad, he's really moving down there. We're having a hard time keeping up. I'm trying to spin him. Fuck! I'm hit! Gonna clip him. Over now. I'm in trouble here.
Give it up! Pull over!
Be advised, a patrol SUV has been sent to the suspect's location.
Stop! Repeat! Stop your vehicle! I'm ordering you to pull over!
Now listen up, we're gonna clip him. Stand by. I'll try to spin him.
Stop now!
Going in for a hit.
We've got a patrol SUV in pursuit of suspect.
We need to acquire line of sight. He may be hiding out. Too good and one out of here. We're swinging back around and taking another look. Yeah, squad. Your suspect is gone. Let's get an ECB circulated.
Hey, we're looking good here. I rebooted the backup. That'll get the bunker chugging in no time.
I just talked to Nikki.
Your sister? Is she doing okay? We're gonna get her back.
I think I know how to find her. I heard a PA sound in our call way in the background. The voice said something, a name or a place. You think you can clean the audio? Try to make out what he's saying?
Yeah, audio wizardry ain't my thing. And send me what you got. I'm sure I can do something.
Okay, I'm heading back to the bunker.
No. We got one more job. You won't believe what I found. Default's Love Shack. Let's take back what he stole from us.
Chicago police have issued a warrant for the vigilante, Aiden Pierce. However, Chicago citizens are cheering Pierce on. With so much citizen support, police are having a hard time getting any tips on his whereabouts.
We've got Default's location. Now, we'll take back what he stole. If he sells Iraq's blackmail on the open market, this has all been for nothing. Whether it disappears or it goes public, I'll have nothing left to offer Damien.
Oh man, we hit pay dirt.
Where are you?
I got a webcammy thing here. Find a line in and see what I found.
T-Bone, wrap it up.
I'm cranky.
Forget the toys. We gotta get you out.
Sorry, Princess.
Where is he?
Kid's got fixers working for him. Whatever alarms we tripped, you sent these guys running. Fuckers came pretty fast.
Just stay low. I'll get you clear.
I found something in his computer. Besides that funky prototype shit. And where the hell did he find that? Man, if I just had 10 minutes more.
What did you find?
Huh?
On his computer.
Right. A weakness. I found a weakness in there. He's carrying the data with him. Like, on his person. It's a security measure, I guess, but he ain't as secure as he'd like to think.
What are you saying? We find him, we can steal the data back?
And he won't know it. Thinks he can fuck with Raymond Kenny. He has no idea who he's up against.
Go. Stay low.
Where's the override? I'm gonna kick the guy who told me these. Start searching. Watch it, man. Start that way.
We got all shades of messed up here. Keep him off of me!
Fucking
that hole, I noticed that little shit's been fucking around inside CTOS. Yeah, he's got access. And my guess, you're target numero uno.
Backup is here! Drive them off the road! Go! Watch out! Stay alert, this one's smart. Spread out! Send extra help! Let's call it, we lost the guy.
Everybody in Chicago's heard of it.
Yeah, well, whoop-de-fucking-do, man. Whatever it is, it seems to be default's local haunt.
Is that all you got?
Oh, and I found a 6-gig USB stick full of lesbian porn. You want that, too?
Keep it.
Oh, I'm hit now.
The Aiden Pierce manhunt had a breakthrough today when citizens spotted him in the middle of downtown Chicago. It was a bold action. Some citizens believe the vigilante was demonstrating that the police are inept. What do you think about police efforts to catch the vigilante?
This guy stands out in front of everyone, and they still can't catch him? Hey, he's making a point.
He's a criminal. Maybe even a murderer. Why haven't they managed to catch him yet?
My brother's a cop. He's a good one, too. One of the honest ones. I blame the stupid CTOS. They got less cops covering more territory now, and with the...
Hi.
I mean, the biggest game of the year?
Yeah.
We're kicking it off right like this, huh, are we? This is ridiculous. No, I've told you, I've been here 10, 15 times before. This always happens, every year. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know why ticket prices are this high. They're clearly not using it for the power over this.
Maybe next time.
right? Seriously, so Independence Day, of all days of the year, at the end of the big food festival, everybody's downtown watching the fireworks, and everybody gets done after fireworks. You know, they close the downtown area off, and all the cops are kind of lining the streets. I'm taking photographs, just taking pictures of all the people in the streets, and the cops are just sitting there. I got all these photos of people smiling at me.
How's it going? What can I get you?
And then I go to take one last shot over my shoulder, and this cop grabs the camera right off of my face and threw me to his subordinates. He says, "Cuff him."
This stuff won't be around forever.
So then, at that point, this cop comes to the door, and then this guy's freaking out, and I go, "All right."
Need something?
All right, yeah, that's me. Get me out of here. And I think I'm going home, but no, I'm not. I'm going to spend the night. So the cop goes out to bring you to your cell. And so we walk by, and the thing I didn't mention is when I walked by first, all the men, they were pounding on the windows going, "Fresh meat, fresh meat, fresh meat." Terrifying. And then I passed by the women's holding cell, and I was thankful I was a man. The women in there were pulling each other by the hair, they were hitting each other, they were screaming. It was terrifying. I thought, oh my God, thank God I was in the other terrifying place I was in. He walks me to this cold cell. It's all, fluorescent light.
Pleasure doing business
really,
with you.
Really cold walls. And I go in there, and there's that toilet, with the open toilet just sitting there. And floating in the toilet is a bologna sandwich from the guy who was clearly there before me. So, of course, my stomach is gone. And I basically spent the night curled up with my t-shirt wrapped around my legs, freezing cold, hearing, lots of...
Can we call you a cab?
Son of a bitch.
Do you need a cab?
I'm just damn good. Whoa.
Oh.
Yes. Come on.
I think we should call him a cab. Is he gonna be sick?
Shit, dude. Something ain't right. Whoa. I am. I'm fine. Hey, shit. Mark. Jimmy. Fucker.
Hello? So long.
Oh, thank you. Yes, it's nice to meet you.
Come on, baby.
Southbound train
arriving shortly.
Oh.
Yes. Come on. Hey, show some respect.
Northbound train arriving shortly.
The path to enlightenment is found through study. Give this a read. Trust me, all questions answered. Hang on, son. I'll make you a believer yet. Okay, I know what you're thinking. I'm trying to sell you God. It ain't that. Take one, you'll see. The environment wants you to read this. Help save our planet. Practical everyday tips. Please, help save the planet.
Yeah, keep walking.
I've been looking for you. This.
Enjoying the show?
Hey, he's got a gun! No, please, just let me go.
There are reports of a high-speed car chase through the streets of Chicago.
All right,
a
never
number of
mind.
cars were involved. No report on injuries. Police are investigating.
Take one. The environment wants you to read this. Help save our planet. Practical everyday tips. Please, help save the planet.